So if you get an epidural, it's a lot harder to move around. You can't just get up and squat and do whatever. So we can still facilitate movement while you're in the bed, and I love to do it with the peanut ball. So this is called like a roll. I think there's a specific term for it, like Penny Simpkins has it. Maybe it's called a Texas roll or something. So essentially you're going to be on your side, go to all fours, go to the other side, and then eventually come to your back. So there are some like slight changes that I make to it because it makes more sense to me. So the first one, we're going to be in that side lying position. So entire shins on the peanut ball. I'm thinking try to push my belly to the ground, so I'm in that side lunge. After that, with assistance, I'm going to come to all fours so that my chest is on the ball. The peanut ball is going to keep me from really going side to side, so I can really only go forward and backwards. Even if you can't feel your legs, you still have like muscle memory to maintain this position. After that, I'm going to come to the other side. Same thing, shins on the ball. Try to roll my belly onto the floor, so I'm in that side lunge as opposed to a forward lunge. And then the last position is kind of where I add some stuff in. So when I roll to my back, if my baby was still high, I would come into a modified Walters. So I'm trying to open up that inlet a little bit more. So what I would do is I would lower the bottom of the bed, bring my feet together, and then kind of let my hips hang. So I still have support for with my feet on the bed, but I have that full hip extension that's bringing me into that posterior tilt, so tucking my butt underneath. And then those wide knees is opening the inlet side to side. So we just did a bunch of movement to help facilitate rotation in baby. And now we're going to try to help baby engage into the inlet with this modified Welcher. So again, lower the bottom portion of the bed. Mom's body is going to be on the upper portion. Feet are touching that bottom portion, knees wide, and butt tucked underneath. We want that full hip extension. If my baby's in mid-pelvis, so -1 to -2, we're thinking uneven hips. So one leg is going to be externally rotated, one's going to be internally rotated. Stay like this for a little bit, and then I'll go the other way. So now this leg is externally rotated, and this one is internally rotated. So it looks like this from the bottom. So we have two different hip movements that are going to be creating space differently. After that, I would roll back to side lying.